Unfortunately, since both eyes were completely removed, there's really nothing under the sun that can make this child see again. There's no technology or any knowledge in the world that can make this child see again. And somebody was talking about putting prosthetic eyes. That doesn't help because maybe cosmetic, but you see there are things which now would bring infection as we changed all the time. So ideally, the best thing is to not to do anything so the sockets will be without eyes, and that's how from the eye we will handle it. There will be no any other way of making this child see again. Absolutely. Yeah. There are no experts. We are the only hospital in this region who do cornea transplants, and we get all our corneas from the US. There's no eye bank facilities in Kenya that is functional, so we get our corneas from the US. And there's no technology at the moment in any other place around here which can handle those eyes. And it was crudely done, and with a lot of infections. And really, that doesn't happen. I'll 100% rule out that possibility. We've been able to suture and control the infection and make sure the child is fine. Fortunately, the child is quite healthy, he's talking, walking around, although blind, and is actually healed. So he should be discharged. But as a hospital, we can't just discharge because we know that there are issues at home that need to be sorted out. That's why we are very happy that the government has come in to take over, especially the Ministry of Culture and Social Services, to know where can this child be rescued to, because there are issues now. There's the blindness, so there's visual rehabilitation. How does a child live like this? There are mental issues. The child is 3 years old, but even a 3-year-old requires, psychiatric care. And then how does a child live after this? And so that's where we are very happy that the government has come in to help us to rehabilitate both visually and then life generally, and how does this child grow. So we thank you very much, Your Excellency, for coming with your team so that you can support now further on from here. For us, we should be able to discharge the child anytime from now, but we cannot until we are sure where we are discharging the child to. It was quite disjointed, and I think the trauma the boy got, it's possible that he lost consciousness for a long time. You see, he can't even clearly say what his name is. He can't, there's so much trauma. The information he gave is so disjointed, and since I'm not an expert in investigations, so I didn't follow that up more than just asking what happened. So it's so disjointed information. Yeah.
I think